Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming the November Petit Vour box. Now this did come before the Thanksgiving holiday, but I did not have a chance to film it, so this is not arriving particularly late. I'm just late filming it, just to give y'all a heads up. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. So here is our card for the month, some leaves, an apple, and a pear. And it looks like we're getting 4 items this month. It looks like one is a multi-item. So on top we have the Busy Co. hand wipes. So last time I got these, I just kept them where I keep all my purse stuff, and I would keep one in my purse or my travel bag and just use them over time that way. But to be honest, whenever I go somewhere, I just wash my hands if I need to clean my hands. So they're not the most useful things for me. I could see how these could be very useful if you had children though. That said, let's talk about them. This is a $3 value for 4 of them. Biodegradable hand softening wipes with collagen and peptides to smooth and improve elasticity. So, I mean, I'll use them eventually, but they're not that exciting. The next item we have is from Petit Vour themselves. It looks like this is their newest product, Plum Body Antioxidant Body Oil. So I really liked the face plum oil that they sent last time. I'm sure I'll probably like this one. Let's go ahead and read about it. So this is a $24 value for 2 ounces. A nourishing organic blend of antioxidant-rich plum oil and botanical extracts to lock in moisture and visibly improve skin's resilience for a healthy, radiant look. So let's see. Yeah, this one has fragrant elements, whereas the one for your face does not. I'm okay with that because it's going on the body. So I'm actually excited to check this out. I know I did have conversations in the comments last time with some of you about how you didn't like how they were promoting their own brand name products, which I understand. I completely get that. But my viewpoint on it is that it seems like they're not rushing to put out products. They are only putting out one thing at a time. So to me, that kind of speaks to putting more effort into the development of them, which I like. And I'm not mad about it, because if they're only putting one in the box every several months, sorry, I'm getting a lot of emails, I'm not that worried about it. So I'm excited to try it. The next item we have is from Juice Beauty. This is the Phyto Pigments Illuminating Primer. So I don't care for Juice Beauty in general, but I am interested to check out a primer. It's usually their skincare I really don't like. So I'm going to give this a fair shot. Let's take it out of the packaging and see what it looks like. So, I mean, nothing too exciting there with the packaging. The description says this is an $18 value for 15 milliliters, formulated with rich coconut alkalines and infused with age-defying serum to smooth the appearance of lines and blur imperfections for a flawless complexion and naturally beautiful radiance. So there we have it. I'll certainly add this to the rotation. I think I've got some other stuff to use up first, but interesting, very interesting. The last item in the box is from, what is this brand? Kaya Naturals. This is the Takasumi Detox, the starter kit for excess odor struggles. Well, they sent this to the right gal, didn't they? So it says this is an $18 value for 1.3 ounces and 12 grams. So I guess there's 2 items in here. A proven underarm practice that uses the power of activated charcoal in a 2-step system to transform natural deodorant into extra strength protection. Together, these mask the effect of deodorant detox and help keep you fresh and odorless throughout the day. So that's cool. I'm always looking for the next best natural deodorant because, to be honest, most of them don't work for me. I'm just a stanky girl. Even if you do the cleanses, even if you use the specific ingredients in the shower, like, it just Nothing works for me. I'm very smelly. So it is what it is. So it looks like there is an underarm bar. I guess you cleanse with that. And there is a little mini deodorant. So I suppose that's what you follow up with. So that's very interesting. I'm excited to use this little kit. Overall, I would say 3/4 of the box is pretty solid. I don't find this interesting at all. The $3 value, it's almost like a throwaway. Another box where I'm like, could that have just been a freebie and you gave us another product? That's kind of my sentiment for that. But I am excited to try this kit. I am excited to try the body oil, and while Juice Beauty never excites me, I'll certainly use a primer. So it's alright. I'm gonna give it a B. It's not wowing me, but it's not terrible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!